This is a really dark, chewy toffee that's got loads of flavor thanks to the dark Muscovado sugar, and they couldn't be easier to make. First, you're going to start off with some milk, and we've got some cream, and you're going to put that in a saucepan. And next, we're going to add some golden syrup. We're going to add a little bit of butter, and then our magic ingredient, which is the dark Muscovado sugar. So once the sugar's dissolved, we're going to boil it to what we call soft crack stage. I know, it's a weird word. Which is 138 to 140 degrees Celsius. So you're going to need a sugar thermometer. This is my baby, my precious. I inherited it from my great-great-grandmother, so it's super special. But you can use any thermometer. They're actually really cheap to get. Next, we're going to add the bicarb. This just gives it a little bit of a snap. I'm going to work quite quickly and pour it into a greased and lined baking tin. Once the toffee's set a little bit, you're going to score it into small pieces with a knife. This is going to make it easier to snap later. Store them in an airtight container to stop them from going sticky, although I don't think that's necessary because they're definitely not going to last that long, I promise. So good, so good. I have the best job.